Experience precise, silky smooth cuts with the WorkPro Japanese pull saw, designed for both hardwood and softwood projects. Its razor-sharp teeth cut on the pull stroke, giving you unmatched control with less effort. Whether you're trimming tenons or slicing through delicate boards, this tool delivers clean, accurate results every time. The lightweight handle ensures comfort during long sessions, while the double-edged blade offers versatility for different cuts. Perfect for fine joinery, it makes your craftsmanship stand out. It's the kind of saw that makes you want to cut wood just for the satisfaction of it. Get ready to upgrade your woodworking game instantly. A good chisel set is a woodworker's best friend, and this 4-piece collection is built for precision and durability. The sharpened blades make clean paring, chopping, and mortising effortless, giving you flawless results in less time. Comfortable, ergonomic handles reduce fatigue, so you can work longer with greater accuracy. Whether you're shaping joints or cleaning out corners, these chisels perform beautifully on all types of wood. They hold their edge impressively, cutting down on sharpening time. This set covers your most used sizes, making it versatile for multiple projects. They're the kind of tools you'll reach for every single build. Safety and precision go hand in hand, and this push block and push stick combo ensures both while you work on table saws, jointers, and router tables. Designed with a comfortable grip and non-slip surface, they give you maximum control when guiding wood through blades. The set's bright colors make them easy to spot in your workspace, so you never waste time looking for them. Their sturdy build handles heavy use without losing performance. Protecting your hands has never been this easy or effective. Every serious woodworker should keep these on hand for safe, confident cutting. Achieve buttery smooth surfaces without sanding with this precision cabinet scraper. Ideal for leveling joints, removing tear out, and refining surfaces, it's a must-have for fine finishing. Unlike sandpaper, it doesn't clog or alter wood color, making it perfect for delicate projects. The hardened steel blade keeps its edge for a long time, giving you consistent results across multiple uses. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spots. Whether you're restoring furniture or prepping boards for finish, this scraper delivers unmatched smoothness. It's the old-school tool that still beats modern shortcuts. This sanding set gives you everything you need for fast, efficient surface prep. The hook and loop backing pad makes disc changes quick and secure, saving you time between grits. With 50 high-quality sanding discs included, you're ready to tackle wood, metal, and more. The pad's flexible design ensures even contact with surfaces, reducing swirl marks. Whether you're smoothing edges or prepping for finish, this set delivers pro-level results. It's compatible with most orbital sanders, making it a versatile addition to your kit. The value here is unbeatable for the quality you get. Cut perfect thin strips every time with this precision thin rip jig, designed for safety and accuracy on your table saw. Its adjustable design ensures consistent results without kickback risks. The durable construction stands up to regular shop use while maintaining exact settings. It's perfect for creating edge banding, inlays, or any project needing precise strips. The smooth glide makes cutting a joy, not a chore. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it once you see the clean, uniform results. This jig turns a tricky task into a repeatable, safe process. Keep your hands safe and your cuts accurate with the Milescraft Grabber Plus. Designed for ultimate control, this push block's non-slip gripping surface locks onto your workpiece for steady movement through blades. Its ergonomic shape reduces fatigue, so you can maintain precision over long sessions. The bright color ensures high visibility in the shop. Ideal for table saws, jointers, and router tables, it's a small tool that makes a big safety difference. Built tough for years of use, it's the kind of shop essential you'll use daily. Safety and performance never felt this good. Create strong, hidden joints like a pro with the Masca Twin Pocket Hole Jig Kit, perfect for beginners and experts alike. This kit offers precise drilling guides that help you achieve consistent pocket holes every time, saving you hours of guesswork. Its durable construction handles tough woods without flexing, ensuring accuracy and reliability. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to set up and use in any workshop or on the go. The included clamps hold workpieces firmly for safety and precision. Whether building cabinets or furniture, this jig makes joinery fast and foolproof. Elevate your woodworking projects with a tool that guarantees solid, professional results. Revolutionize your jigs and fixtures with this versatile PowerTech Universal T-Track, engineered for easy installation and smooth operation. Its double-cut design allows for superior grip with T-bolts and knobs, making adjustments quick and secure. Cut from durable aluminum, It resists warping and wear even under heavy use. Perfect for router tables, fences, and sleds, this track adds a new level of precision to your setups. The 24-inch length fits most woodworking projects, providing flexibility without bulk. Upgrade your shop with this essential component that transforms setups from clunky to crisp. Precision and control are just a track away. Achieve flawless straight cuts with the Work Pro 9-inch track saw clamps that lock your guide rails firmly in place for unmatched stability. These clamps secure your track to virtually any surface, preventing slipping or shifting while cutting. Their ergonomic design makes them easy to tighten and release quickly, saving you time and frustration. Built from sturdy materials, they stand up to repeated use without losing grip strength. Whether you're ripping plywood sheets or crafting fine furniture parts, these clamps bring professional-grade accuracy to your table. Don't let a wobbly guide ruin your cuts. Lock in your confidence and cut with precision every time. Safety meets simplicity with the Micro Jig Match Fit Pop Stop, designed to stop kickback before it happens on your table saw. This compact device fits easily onto your saw's fence, using spring-loaded fingers to hold stock firmly and prevent dangerous throws. It's easy to install and adjust, providing reliable anti-kickback protection that doesn't slow down your workflow. The durable plastic construction withstands heavy-duty use without wear. Perfect for rip cuts on both thin and thick materials, it's an essential safety upgrade. Keep your fingers intact and your cuts clean. This small gadget is a big deal in shop safety. Get ready to tackle wooden nail demolition with the EaseArc Bimetal Arc Edge oscillating tool blade, designed for aggressive cutting and long life. Its bimetal construction balances flexibility and strength, letting you plunge cut through thick wood and embedded nails without damage. The curved arc edge allows for precise flush cuts and detail work in tight spots. Compatible with most oscillating multi-tools, it's a versatile blade that turns your tool into a demolition powerhouse. Whether remodeling or crafting, this blade helps you work faster and cleaner. Say goodbye to slow, frustrating cuts and hello to efficiency. When it comes to holding your work securely, bench dog clamps deliver unbeatable strength and versatility. These heavy-duty clamps are perfect for everything from gluing panels to holding joinery tight while screws set. Their large faces distribute pressure evenly, preventing dents and damage to your projects. The quick-release mechanism makes adjustments fast, so you spend less time fiddling and more time building. Whether mounted to a bench or used standalone, these clamps stay rock solid during the toughest jobs. Upgrade your clamping game and get the grip that professionals trust. Enhance both safety and precision with this Featherboard adjustable safety device, designed to keep your workpiece firmly pressed against fences or tables during cuts. It reduces chatter, prevents kickback, and helps achieve smoother, straighter cuts every time. The adjustable tension lets you dial in the perfect pressure for different materials and thicknesses. Easy to install and reposition, it's compatible with most table saws, routers, and bandsaws. Lightweight yet durable, this Featherboard is an essential addition for safer, more accurate woodworking. Protect your hands and elevate your craftsmanship simultaneously. Speed up your pocket hole projects with the Craig KDRV Flip Quick Flip, a handy clamp designed for quick adjustments and strong hold. Its flip handle locks securely to hold materials tight, reducing setup time significantly. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, allowing for easy one-handed operation. With wide jaws, it grips a variety of wood thicknesses without slipping or marring surfaces. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and framing, it pairs perfectly with your Craig jig. This clamp brings efficiency and reliability together, making joinery smoother and faster. Say goodbye to fiddly clamping and hello to streamlined work. When you need a bond that won't quit, Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof. Wood glue delivers unbeatable strength and moisture resistance for indoor and outdoor projects. Its thick, easy-to-apply formula sets quickly, filling gaps and creating tight, durable joints. Ideal for everything from furniture repairs to complex builds, this glue is trusted by pros for its reliability and versatility. It dries natural and sands smoothly, so finishes stay flawless. Plus, it's non-toxic and cleans up with water before drying, making it user-friendly. If you want your woodworking to last a lifetime, this glue has your back. Estwing Pro Claw Nail Puller. Pulling nails is a breeze with the Estwing Pro Claw Nail Puller. Built tough with a shock-absorbing handle that reduces hand fatigue during heavy-duty jobs. Its forged steel head provides maximum leverage and gripping power to remove even stubborn nails without bending or breaking. The sharp, curved claws slide under nails easily, minimizing damage to your wood surfaces. Compact but rugged, this tool is essential for demolition, remodeling, and general shop cleanup. It's the kind of reliable claw hammer accessory every woodworker should keep handy. Trust it to get the job done right. Measure, mark, and check angles with precision using the versatile Mr. Pen Square set that combines a rafter square and a combination square. Perfect for layout, framing, and woodworking projects, these tools help you achieve accurate cuts and joints every time. The stainless steel construction resists rust and wear, keeping your measurements consistent over years of use. Clear, easy-to-read markings speed up your work and reduce errors. Compact and lightweight, this set fits easily in your toolbox or apron. From beginners to pros, precise measuring is the foundation of great woodworking. Fix cracks, holes, and dents fast with the Gorilla All-Purpose Wood Filler, designed to restore wood surfaces with a durable, sandable formula. This kit fills imperfections seamlessly, dries hard, and accepts stain or paint for a flawless finish. Its easy-to-use tub keeps your workspace clean, and the filler sands smoothly without shrinking or cracking. Ideal for furniture, trim, and floors, it saves you costly replacements by bringing wood back to life. Whether restoring antiques or patching up projects, this filler is the secret to professional-looking repairs. Don't let damage ruin your work. Fill it, fix it, and forget it. Simplify your woodworking measurements with this all-in-one 8-in-1 carpenter square and center finder. Built to speed up marking and layout tasks, it combines multiple tools in one compact design, including a ruler, protractor, and center finder, letting you tackle angles, squares, and circles effortlessly. Made from durable metal with laser-etched markings, it provides accuracy that lasts. Lightweight and easy to carry, this multi-tool fits in any toolbox or pocket. Perfect for framing, cabinetry, and crafts, it's the smart choice to cut measuring mistakes and boost your shop efficiency. One tool, endless possibilities. Tackle demolition and cutting challenges with the Tolisa 9-inch reciprocating saw blades designed for wood and nails, featuring a 6/12 teeth per inch combination that balances speed and precision. These bimetal blades cut aggressively through thick lumber and embedded nails without dulling quickly. Their universal fit works with most saw brands, making them a versatile addition to your toolkit. Whether tearing down framing or trimming branches, these blades deliver clean, efficient cuts with less effort. Durable and reliable, they make your reciprocating saw a demolition beast. Get perfect 45-degree trim cuts every time with the Miles Craft Trim 45, a compact, easy-to-use guide that keeps your saw steady and your angles precise. This tool attaches securely to your miter saw or circular saw, eliminating guesswork and costly mistakes. Its rugged construction ensures long-term durability, while the simple setup lets you get to work quickly. Whether installing baseboards, crown molding, or picture frames, the Trim 45 helps you make smooth, tight-fitting joints. It's a must-have for any woodworker who values accuracy and speed in finishing work. Elevate your trim game with this smart guide. Strengthen your woodworking joints effortlessly with Easy Lock Knife threaded inserts, engineered for softwoods and easy installation. These inserts create strong, reusable threads for bolts, making assembly and disassembly a breeze without damaging your workpieces. The knife thread design cuts cleanly into wood fibers, providing secure grip and long-lasting durability. Perfect for furniture, cabinetry, and projects requiring detachable joints, they save you time and hassle. Installation is quick with common tools, so you can upgrade your build quality in minutes. If you want professional-level fastening with no fuss, these inserts are a game-changer. Achieve flawless crosscuts anywhere with the Craig E Portable Crosscut, designed for portability without sacrificing precision. This compact tool fits easily in your workshop or job site, helping you measure and cut exact angles and lengths on the go. Its durable build withstands rough use, while the adjustable fence locks securely in place for consistent cuts. Ideal for framing, trim, and woodworking, it eliminates the guesswork from cutting lumber to size. Save time and reduce waste with this easy-to-use crosscut guide. Whether you're a pro or hobbyist, it's the perfect partner for mobile woodworking. Speed up your corner assemblies with the Pony 4-pack corner clamps, designed to hold your pieces tightly at perfect right angles for glue-ups, fasteners, and joins. These spring-loaded clamps offer firm pressure and quick release, making setup and repositioning fast and efficient. Their lightweight yet sturdy design fits various thicknesses, helping you create flawless frames, boxes, and cabinets. Whether you're working on fine furniture or DIY projects, These clamps improve accuracy and reduce frustration. Add them to your clamp collection and watch your assembly time drop dramatically. Nail perfect angles and measurements with the Preciva Right Angle Ruler, a multifunctional carpenter's square that brings precision to your layouts. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this tool resists bending and warping, ensuring reliable accuracy every time. It combines a ruler, protractor, and square, letting you mark, measure, and check corners with ease. The clear, laser-etched markings speed up your work and minimize mistakes. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry around the workshop or job site. For woodworkers who demand accuracy, this square is a must-have essential. Perfect your veneered edges with this sharp and precise edge banding trimmer, featuring a stainless steel blade designed to cleanly trim excess tape without damaging your wood surfaces. Its ergonomic handle gives you full control for smooth, safe trimming on curves and straight edges alike. Unlike bulky machines, this hand tool lets you work close to the edge for flawless results every time. It's a must-have finishing tool for cabinetry, furniture, and detailed woodworking projects. Lightweight yet durable, it's built to last through countless trim jobs. Say goodbye to rough edges and hello to professional finishes. Measure with confidence using the Nitra 3-piece metal pocket rule set, combining 3 sizes to cover all your measuring needs. Made of sturdy stainless steel, these pocket rules offer durability and rust resistance for long-term use. Their compact design fits comfortably in your pocket or tool belt, making quick measurements easy anywhere. Laser-etched markings provide clear, precise readings, reducing errors on the job. Whether marking cuts, laying out joints, or checking dimensions, this set is an indispensable companion for woodworkers, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Keep accuracy handy with these sleek, reliable rulers. That wraps it up. If you found a tool you liked, drop a like and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more cool tools coming your way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.